Hey, ALU40, our wood-like aluminum, such a beauty. It's not going to rust. It's not going to have any maintenance whatsoever. And your wood lovers are just going to finally find what they were looking for. And you can create gaps just like here on the wall. Look at this beautiful sample here. You have a 3/8 gap. You can do 1/2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inches. You can put this slat into our universal system, into our heavy duty system for contractors. All of our systems work with all the components. Look at this beauty here that you have it on the 2 inches combined with our bronze system, and that's our Ipe. Such a nice beauty. You got the knots, you got the wood grain. This is giving you, your clients or a DIYer, exactly what he's looking for, and the price is just on point. Aluglobus always have prices on point. So ask about our ALU40 Ipe or Teak or one of our wood grain colors, and get your prices today as a contractor. And we're going to explain it a little bit for our customers.
En español.
Yep.
Claro, este es nuestro ALU40, un producto que tenemos buenísimo, muy popular. Este es de 4 pulgadas, pero tenemos en diferentes pulgadas también. Y este es buenísimo, bajo mantenimiento, muy durable. Lo tenemos en diferentes colores y sobre todo woodgrain, que les encanta. Nuestros vigas ALU40 y de otras dimensiones también, que son perfectos para todos nuestros sistemas que usamos, porque usamos un sistema universal que puedes combinar en diferentes tamaños y colores.
Get your samples today at aluglobusfence.com or visit our showroom if you're local. See you guys in our next video. Check it out.